This is something in grease. As you can see, we have done the installation. Very neat job. As you can see, very neat job. You can see this is beam to beam. You can see the straightness. This is beam to beam. Contact all for your project. So the electrician will work before dropping the board. As you can see, electrician need to draw the cable before putting the board. As you can see this is the best way to divide gypsum cylinder grease. You can see we have 23 inches here, we have 23 inches here, and then we have the full board at the center. This is the perfect work from us. You can contact us on the 08063098718. We have another one here, that is the extractor. Call us on the 08063098718. We update you when you're about to drop the board. Thanks for watching.